Okay, students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Ganithalay. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic transformation of axis. Due to the COVID situation, it consisting of two 4 marks questions. That means weightage of this topic according to the 2020 to 2021 year, two 4 marks questions will be obtained in the Board of Intermediate of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So that means weightage of this topic is 8 marks. Okay, let's start the topic transformation of axis. Okay, let's start the topic transformation of axis. This is the two types. First one is translation of axis. Translation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. Now we are going to discuss about the first of all translation of axis. The translation of axis is a transformation of axis that will be obtained by changing the direction without changing the direction of axis. We can change the axis without change their direction and shifting origin to another point. Okay, this type of transformation is called the translation of axis. Translation of axis is the transformation of axis is obtained by changing the origin to another point but could not change the direction of the axis. So by diagrammatically, if you take an x-axis and this is y-axis, suppose if you taken the coordinate axis x and y axis, this is the origin. So this is the original system. Now how to change the axis here? By using the translation of axis. In the translation of axis, we can shift the origin. So here we are going to shift the origin here to some another point. Say this is O dash. Now the x-axis will become to like that, and also y-axis become to like that. Okay, such type of transformation is called the translation of axis. Here we can move the x-axis to the original x-axis as parallel direction and y-axis as the parallel direction. Now if you taken the distance moving x-axis is this length is k, and x-axis is this length, this is h. Now the coordinate of the point O dash are h comma k. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so about the translation of axis, you need to remember here one thing. Formula. So here the original system and new system are there. Original system is the before change the axis, before change the direction of the axis. So the system is called the original system. Here we are going to write original system, original or old system. Next this is new system. So in the original system, origin is 0, 0 and this can be shifted as shifting origin to O dash, that is h comma k. So origin shifted point is can be taken as O dash h comma k. This is the point in original system P x comma y. This is a point in the original system. Now this point will change into the new system as P capital X comma capital Y. So where the capital X is obtained by small x minus h, capital Y is obtained by small y minus k. They are the formulas. Okay, you have to remember that in the translation of axis, first of all, the original system will be given. You have to convert in the new system. First, you need to have the origin shifted point. That origin shifted point can be taken as h comma k. So, if you want to find the new system coordinate of a point, what you have to taken in the given problem, first you should observe that whether the origin shifted point is given or not. If the origin shifted point is given, that can be taken as O dash h comma k. How do you take the origin shifted point coordinates? H comma k. After that, in the original system point will be given. Okay. So now the given original point can be taken as in terms of small x and small y. That means x coordinate is taken as small x, y coordinate is taken as small y. Now what you should find out? The coordinates of a point in the original world system, new system. New system means new system coordinate point can be taken as capital X and capital Y. Now the capital X have the formula this one and capital Y have the formula this one. That means capital X is equal to small x minus h, capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Okay, this is the formula. So to find the new system coordinate, here I am going to write the working rule. Working rule to find new system point. New point. Okay. What are the working rules for to find the new system point? First of all, you have to take origin shifted point. Shifted point can be taken as h comma k. Next one, original point. Original or world point. World point is P small x and small y. You can take small x and small y. Now finally, new system point can be taken as point. It has been taken P capital X comma capital Y. So to find the capital X, you should write the capital X formula, small x minus h, capital Y formula, small y minus k. Okay, they are the working rule to find the point. Okay, in the same as working rule to find the world system point, here to find the world system point in the given problem, new system point have been given. New system point can be taken as capital X, capital Y, and origin shifted point as taken as h comma k. Now to find the world original system point coordinates, you can take small x and small y. Now by using these identities, you can write small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Okay, if you remember these formulas, you can find anything. Anything means here old system and origin shifted point is given, you can find the new system point. New system point and origin shifted point will be given, you should also find out the world system point. World system, new system point both are given, you can find out origin shifted point. Okay, this is the finding the coordinates of the point in the world system and new system. Okay, now I am going to write the they are the coordinate change of the coordinates in the world system to new system of a point. Okay, now equation of a curve, how to change the equation of a curve when the new system to world system and world system to new system. So here I am going to write the some basic formulas here. Working rules to find original equation, transformed equation, transformed equation or new equation. Okay, so first of all, to find the transformed equation, here in the problem will be given origin shifted point. So first you need to take the let origin shifted point. Shifted point is O dash, that is h comma k. You can take this one first. The second one, so what we have to find in this one, new system equation we are going to find, but given problem has world system equation is there. Okay, so given world system, in world system is, that can be taken as in terms of small x comma small y. Okay, so some equation will be given, you have to take in terms of small x and small y. Now the transformed equation, let it be equation 1, equation of 1 is, now the formula should be converted in, the equation should be converted into capital X and capital Y. Already I have told you what is the capital X and capital Y here, small x minus h and small y minus k. If you want to change small x and small y in terms to capital X and capital Y, now you need to find the small x value from this equation. How much the small x value from this equation? Capital X plus h. That means, so here in place of small x you can put capital X plus h. Next, in place of small y you can write capital Y plus k is equal to 0. This is the equation in the world system. That means simply you have to remember that whenever an equation in the original system is given, to find the transformed equation you can put small x as capital X plus h, small y as capital Y plus k. Okay, in always world system can be taken as in terms of small x and small y. Okay, so this is the working rule to find the world to new system equation. Now I am going to write the working rule for finding original equation. Okay, so what we have to find here, original equation we are going to find here. So to find the original equation, first of all the problem has the origin shifted point. Let the origin shifted point can be taken as shifted point is always this can be taken as h comma k. Next one, so to find the original equation in the given problem having the new system equation. So new system equation that can be considered, new system equation, that means transformed equation. New equation is, so the problem will be taken in terms of capital X and capital Y. New system problem can be taken as in terms of capital X and capital Y, that is you have to remember. Now finally let it be equation 1, the original equation, what we have to find, original equation of 1 is, you can write capital X as a small x. That means we have the formula here, capital X is equal to x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus k. That means original system equation means the answer will be obtained in the small x and small y values. So that means capital X can be converted into small x when the capital X have the formula small x minus h, capital Y have the formula small y minus k is equal to 0. This is the formula you should remember when the original new system equation will be given, and you should find out the original equation. So first of all you have to remember that origin shifted point in both original equation and new equation finding. So origin shifted point can be taken as h comma k. If you want to find the transformed equation, given problem should have the world system equation. So in world system equation will be given always the letters, that means variables x comma y can be taken in terms of small x, small letters. Okay, if you want to find the transformed equation, you should convert that letters into capital letters by using the formula capital X is equal to x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus k. In this one, you should find out the small x and small y value. Automatically, they will convert into capital X and capital Y. In the same way, finding the original equation. Okay, okay, students, look at the problem here. In this problem, first you have to read the problem carefully. What you have observed here, if the transformed equation of a curve, okay, what is that? If the transformed equation of a curve, transformed equation of a curve is, what will be given here? This is the transformed equation. Okay, first we need to take the transformed equation, given transformed equation of a curve. Given that the transformed equation is, transformed equation means that is the new system equation. So the can be taken as in terms of capital letters x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. So let it be equation 1. Okay, write carefully capital X and capital Y terms you have to write. Okay, next, when the axes are translated to the point 2 comma 3, axes are translated, that means x axis and y axis are moving somewhere. Now the origin is shifted to another point, that is here given 2 comma 3 is the origin shifted point. How do you take the origin shifted point? Now let the origin shifted point can be taken as, so given origin shifted point, origin shifted point is, what is that, 2 comma 3. So whenever the origin shifted point can be given, so first coordinate can be taken as h, second coordinate can be taken as 3, because of origin shifted point can be taken as h comma k. Now first one equal to first one, second one equal to second coordinate. Okay, like that h is equal to this one, k is equal to 3. Now we are going to find the original equation of the curve. To find the original equation of the curve, we can put capital X is equal to x minus h, capital Y is equal to y minus k. Okay, so now these values can be substituted in the equation 1. You will get the original equation of the curve. Okay, student. Now we are going to write the original equation. Original equation of the curve. The curve 1 is, you can put capital X as small x minus h. Okay, you can write remaining same to same, and y as small y minus k. Next, minus 2 into small y minus k whole square plus 17 into small x minus h minus 7 into small y minus k minus 11 is equal to 0. Now here you can substitute h value and k value. This is, after that you can simplifying carefully, you will get the answer. Okay, that is, you can write here x square, this is a plus a minus b whole square formula, you can expand this one, you will get this is, next if you product this one 3xy, next minus 3x into 3 9x minus 6y, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, next minus 2 into, now you can write a minus b whole square formula, you can get here, this is now 17x minus 34 plus 7y minus 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now here you can write first of all x square terms, here x square term is there, there is no x square again. Now x square, after completed x square you should write the x into y term, that is 3xy. Next y square term, this will be, this total bracket term will multiplied by minus 2, hence you can write minus 2y square. After that x terms, minus 4x is there, minus 9x, how much, minus 13x, next minus 13x plus 17x, that is 4x plus 4x, so finally plus 4x. Next go to y terms, here minus 6y, minus into minus plus 12y, minus 6y plus 12y becomes plus 6y, plus 6y plus 7y plus 13y. Now finally constant, plus 4 plus 18 plus 22 plus 22 minus 18 plus 22 minus 18, that will becomes to 4, 4 minus 34 plus 4 minus 34, that is minus 30, minus 30, next one minus 21 minus 11, both are all are same sign, you can get 62, that is finally minus 62 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Okay, so x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x plus 13y minus 62 is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay students, here small mistake have done here, this is minus, this is not, this is a minus here, you can simplifying here minus 7, here this will be okay, next here you can simplifying here, you will get the signs changed here, that is here minus 7y, next plus 21, so finally you can get here answer, these two terms are mistaken, so finally you can write 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x, here you get minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the answer you should obtain. Okay, this is the most important problem for the 4 marks question of transformation of axis. Okay students, next one, rotation of axis. Now this is a transformation obtained by changing the direction of axis through an angle theta about the origin. about the origin. That means here direction of the axis have changed but not the origin shifted point. Whenever if you want to change the direction of the axis, here you should rotate the axis. So rotation of axis means here axis should be rotated with some an angle. So suppose if you taken this is the x axis and this is the y axis, their directions, x axis, this is y axis. So here this is the origin. Now the rotation of axis means you can rotate the x axis like that through some an angle. Okay, let's suppose this angle is theta. Now the new x axis will be like that. This is the new x axis. Okay, in the same as y axis also rotated through an angle theta, same angle. Okay, now the y axis can be transformed to like that. Okay, this is the new y axis. Okay, so here the axis direction, x axis direction, original direction is this one like that. Now the direction is like that. So here direction has changed but not changing the origin. Okay, so such type of transformation is called the rotation of axis. In this one you have to remember that when the axis are rotated through an angle, in this method you have to remember that there will be angle of rotation. Okay, so now working rule to find the rules to find old to new point, old to new point, new to old point. Okay, so first of all in both problems first you need to take the angle of rotation. Here what is that? Angle of rotation. Rotation is theta. First you need to take the angle of rotation. Next one you should remember that here some table here, that is theta. Okay, next one capital X, capital Y. Here you have to remember that small x and small y. Next one you can remember that here you have to write cos theta, here minus sin theta, next sin theta, here cos theta. Okay, this table you should remember that. Okay, remember this table. So here if the world point is given, you should find out the new system point. Okay, for the new system, so new system point can be taken as capital X, capital Y. So that means you should find out the capital X answer and capital Y answer. So capital X is equal to, this is the capital X, you can come like that, capital X is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, and also this is multiplied by like that, multiplied by like that. Now you can write capital X is equal to small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Okay, so like that, how do you write? Capital X is equal to, capital X is equal to, I am going to write small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. Next one, the same way capital Y, to find the capital Y like that, you can write in this direction by this one and by this one. Okay, that means capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, how do you write? Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, new system point, to find the new system point like that. To find the world system point, if you want to find world system point, so world system point coordinates are taken as in terms of small x and small y. So from the table, first you need to check where the small x is there. So this is the small x, you can come like that in this direction. Here capital X is multiplied by this one, capital Y is multiplied by this one. Now how do you write? Small x is equal to capital X cos theta plus of y into minus sin theta. That means you can get capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. In the same way, small y, to find the small y in this direction, multiplying by capital X to this column, capital Y to this column. Okay, now how do you get this one? Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay, if you want to find the new system coordinate, these formulas you can use. To find the old system point, these two formulas you can use. Okay, so they are the, to find the coordinates of a point in the old system to new system to old system. In the translation of axis, there will be origin shifted point is there, that can be taken as h comma k. In the rotation of axis, here angle of rotation will be there, so that can be taken as theta. In the same process, the formulas will have changed. Okay, now original equation and new system equation. Okay, working rule for old system equation, for transformed equation or new equation. Now which concept we have here? We are in the rotation of axis. Now we are in the rotation of axis. So first of all, in the rotation of axis, in every problem you have to see what is that? Angle of rotation. So first we have to take, let the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation is, it could be taken as theta. Second one, what we have to find? Transformed equation we have to find here. But in the given problem, the original equation will be given. So given original equation is, you have to take in terms of original equation as always small x and small y. Let it be equation 1. Now by using that, you can find the transformed equation. Transformed equation is f of, simply you can write small x answer and small y answer. What is in the old system? This one. So you can get the new system equation. So that means you have to write small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. That is capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. This is the value of small x, comma. You can put small y as capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay, is equal to 0. This is the transformed equation. That means you can put small x as small x formula, small y as small y formula. In the same procedure, working rule for the working rule for original system. Original system or world system. original system or world system in the same procedure. So in the same process, what is given? First of all, every problem contains angle of rotation. You can take the angle of rotation here, that will be theta. Second one, the equation. Which type of equation in this one given? Here the original equation we are going to find. That means in the given problem have the transformed equation. Given which equation? Transformed equation. So transformed equation means that equation could be considered in terms of capital X and capital Y. Capital X, capital Y. Okay, this is, let it be equation 1. So now we are going to convert this one into original equation. Therefore, the original equation of 1 is f of, here capital X. What is the capital X answer? Capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. Next, capital Y answer is minus x sin theta plus y, sorry, in terms of small x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, this is the equation to find the original equation. So these all formulas should be obtained from the table what I have told you. Okay, so remember that these two things, they are the working rule to find the original system to new system to original system equation. Okay, let's start the important problems in this model. Okay students, this is the problem. Find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square is equal to 2a square when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6. This is the problem given. Okay students, read the problem carefully here. So what is given here? If you read this problem carefully, here what will be given here? This equation will be given. This is the equation given. Okay, what kind of equation this one? That means is it in original system or new system? If you read the given problem carefully, some equation will be given when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6. Here pi by 6 is the angle of rotation. Here angle of rotation is given. Angle of rotation can be taken as theta, that is pi by 6. Okay, so our question is, here you have seen some equation x square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. Now our question is this equation in old system or new system? So for that, what we are going to find here? Here we have to find the transformed equation. What we have to find here? We are going to find the transformed equation. Transformed equation means new system equation we are going to find. But what is the given equation here? Here given equation is the equation in old system. Okay, understand this one? Here the given equation is the old system equation. Okay, like that. So first we need to write given origin, given angle of rotation. How do you take the angle of rotation? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Okay, pi by 6 means you can convert this one into degree method. So pi means the value is 180 degrees by 60. You will get 30 degrees. Okay, this is radian measure. You will convert into degree measure. Pi value is 180 degrees. Okay, now theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now given equation is in which system? Old system. That is, what is the given equation? Old system equation always taken in terms of small x and small y. So that is x square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. To find the transformed equation, now we are going to write small x value and small y value. Okay, small x, small y answers we can find here, and they will be substituted in this equation. You will get the transformed equation. Okay, that means we can find out the small x value from the table. We have the I have told you the table. What is that? Now small x is equal to, what is the formula? Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, the same as small y is equal to small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay, now you can put x is equal to capital X cos theta means 30 degrees minus y sin 30 degrees. Okay, now small y is equal to x sin 30 degrees plus capital Y cos 30 degrees. Okay, now you can simplify the cos 30, x into cos 30 value how much? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus y into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Next here also y is equal to x into 1 by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2. Okay, now finally here small x is the value, so both have the same denominator. You can get root 3x minus y. Next small y is equal to denominator same 2x plus root 3y. Okay, they are the small x and small y values. Now I am going to write here, this is the equation 1. Now finally, therefore the transformed equation of 1 is, by taking this one, you can put small x as this answer, small y as this answer in the equation 1. So what is that in equation 1? X square. X square means here small x value root 3x minus y by 2 whole square. Next plus 2 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 I have written into x. X means this one and y means this one. X value root 3x minus y by 2 into y value x plus root 3y by 2. Next minus y square. Minus y square means here y value x plus root 3y by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. 2a square. Okay students, understand this one how I have written? Okay, this is the problem. Next one, you can simplifying carefully. So expand the power values here. Now root 3x minus y whole square by 4 plus 2 root 3 into root 3x minus y into x plus root 3y by 2 into 2, 4 here. Don't cancelize like that, 2 ones are 2 2s. If you cancelize like that, now you can do the LCM again in the next step. So that's why you don't cancelize the denominator and numerator. Now here x plus root 3y whole square by 2 square means 4 into 2a square. Now finally I am going to write here all the denominators are 4. Now they are the like fractions. So hence I am going to add the numerators directly. So while we are going to add the numerator directly, I am going to expand this one into a minus b whole square formula. A square means root 3x whole square, that is 3x square. B square means y square minus 2ab 2 root 3xy plus again 2 root 3. I am going to multiplying 2 root 3 into root 3x. 2 3s are 6x by this total term. So 6 x into x, 6x square. Next plus 6x into root 3y, 6 root 3xy. Next one minus 2 root 3y into x, minus 2 root 3xy. Next minus 2 root 3 into root 3, 3. Now 2 3s are 6 into y, 6y square. Next minus of, here minus is there. Now I am going to change the signs of the x plus root 3y whole square expansion terms, that is x square plus b square means you can change the sign 3y square. Next one minus 2ab plus 2ab, that will get the minus 2ab 2 root 3 xy by, finally how much you will get here, by 4, by 4 is equal to 2a square. Okay, now in next step I am going to do the cross multiplication. Before going to do the cross multiplication, numerator I am going to simplifying the numerator. Now 3x square plus 6x square, how much, 9x square, and 9x square and minus x square is there, 8x square. Next going to x into y term, here minus 2 root 3 xy, here minus 2 root 3 xy, plus minus 4 root 3 xy, minus 2 root 3 xy, minus 6 root 3 xy, and here plus 6 root 3 xy. Finally these all terms are cancelled. Okay, now you will go for y square terms. So remaining terms are here y square minus 6y square minus 3y square. You will get minus 9 y square is equal to, now 4 into 2, how much, 8, 8a square. Okay student, so sorry, here plus y square minus 6y square, that means minus 5y square minus 3y square minus 8y square, this will be the minus 8y square. Now finally I am going to cancelize by 8 on both sides. You will get x square minus y square is equal to a square. Now finally the answer should be in small letters always, every answer. Therefore the required equation is, simply you can write x square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the problem. Okay student, I hope you understand this problem. This is the most important problem. Okay students, coming to the next problem. This is also very important. So read the given problem carefully, what you have observed that. Okay, first you have to read the problem carefully. Find the transformed equation of 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square is equal to 9. So here this equation will be given here. For this equation we have to find transformed equation. So that means this equation is in the world system. Okay, so here world system equation will be there. Now we are going to find the transformed equation. That is the problem you have to understand. Okay, here for that, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 4. So here angle of rotation will be given and world system equation will be given. What is given? Angle of rotation and world system equation will be given. So you have to write the world system equation and angle of rotation. I am going to write given angle is theta is equal to pi by 4. Convert this one into degree measurement, that is 180, pi value is 180 by 4, that is 4 4s are 4 5s are, that is 45 degrees. Now you have to write the given equation in world system, in world system or original system is. So when the equation in world is given, you can take the small letters. If new system is given, you can take the capital letters. So let it be equation 1. Okay students. Next one, we have to find the transformed equation. Transformed equation means you can convert small x into small x answer into capital X and capital Y. Small y answer is also into capital X and capital Y. So by using the table, I am going to write directly small x and small y answers here. Small x is equal to, therefore small x is equal to small x answer capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to what is the small y value? Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. So now put theta is 45 degrees. Now capital X into cos 45 1 by root 2 minus y into here also 1 by root 2. Next small y is equal to here also x into sin 45 1 by root 2 plus y into cos 45 1 by root 2. Okay. So finally small x is equal to root 2 capital X minus y. Here also small y is equal to denominator same. You can write capital X plus capital Y. Okay. So now the transformed equation means by taking this equation you can put small x answer this one and small y answer this one in the equation 1, you will get the transformed equation. Therefore the transformed equation of 1 is 3x square. So this is the value. You can write 3x square means here 3x square. You can write 3x square means here the x answer. You can write x minus y, capital X minus y by root 2 whole square. X square means this is. Next plus 10xy plus 10 into x means x minus y by root 2. 10x into y means x plus y by root 2. Okay. Plus 3 into y square means x plus y by root 2 whole square is equal to, what is that? 9. Okay. Hope you understand this step. So here simply you can write 3 into, now expand the square, x minus y by root 2 whole square. Now you can get x minus y whole square by root 2 whole square, that is simply 2, plus 10 into numerator x minus y into x plus y by root 2 into root 2 whole square, that is 2, plus 3 into x plus y whole square by root 2 whole square means 2. So finally you can get this is the answer. Now all the denominators are same in every term. So you can add the numerators directly. While you are going to add the directly, now I am going to expand a minus b whole square, this is plus 10 into, this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, directly a square minus b square formula I have used it. Now 3 into, this is a plus b whole square formula I am using here, 2xy by how much? 2 is equal to 9. In next step I am going to do the cross multiplication like that. So 1 into anything and right hand side 2 into 9 18. Okay student. So that is, now numerator will be multiplied by 3x square plus 3y square minus 6xy plus 10x square minus 10y square plus 3x square plus 3y square plus 6xy is equal to 18. Now take it this 18 to right side, left side. So first you have to simplify 3x square plus 10x square, 13x square plus 3x square, 16x square. Next here minus 6xy, here plus 6xy, both are cancelled. Next coming to y square terms, 3y square plus 3y square plus 6y square minus 10y square minus 4y square. Okay, this is now the constants are, there is no constant in the left hand side, now 18 here. Now finally you can write here by taking 4 common here, 2 table common. Now 2 8s are, 2 2s are, and 2 9s are. Okay, this is the answer. Therefore finally the required equation is 8x square minus 2y square is equal to 9. Okay, this is the answer. Okay students, observe that this is the problem. So watch the given problem carefully. So what are given here? Find the transformed equation. Okay, what we have to find? Transformed equation we are going to find here. Find the transformed equation of this one. That means here x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to b, p will be given. Which kind of this equation? This is the old system or new system? This is in the old system, because of we need to find the transformed equation. So we need to find the transformed equation, that is here given equation should be in the old system. Okay, so now another one is, if the axes are rotated an angle alpha, that is angle of rotation will be given and old system equation will be given. What you have to find here? Original transformed equation, that means new system equation. So first I am going to take the angle of rotation. Given angle is, I am going to take this is as theta, that is how much given? Alpha. Now another one, given equation in world system. Which system is this? Given equation in world system is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So let it be equation 1. Now this is the world system. World system means you can take small x and small y. So after that you can find the small x value and small y value by using the formula. Therefore small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. The same way small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Now put theta value alpha. Now x is equal to capital X cos alpha minus y into sin alpha. Next y is equal to capital X sin alpha plus cos alpha. Okay. Now directly this x value and y value can be put in equation 1. You will get the transformed equation. Therefore the transformed equation of 1 is, you can write x. X means small x value, what will be there? X cos alpha minus y sin alpha into cos alpha, that is here you have to write cos alpha. Next plus y means we have to write x sin alpha plus y cos alpha into sin alpha. Next is equal to p. Okay. Okay student, this is we are going to write here. Next one, Now multiplying this total term by cos alpha, how much you will get? X cos alpha into cos alpha, x cos square alpha minus y into sin alpha into cos alpha is sin alpha cos alpha. Next, multiplying by sin alpha this total term, you can get here x sin alpha into sin alpha, x sin square alpha plus x into y into cos alpha into sin alpha plus y into sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to p. Now first you need to write the x square term. There is no x square and x into y and y square. Okay, further you go for x term. So here this is x term and this is x term. You can take x term common. How much you will get? Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha into capital X. Next, if you taking y term common, here minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha cancel. This is equal to P. In trigonometric formula, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. In the same sense, here alpha is there. So, you can get here 1 into x is equal to P. That is equal to how much? X is equal to P. So therefore, the transformed equation or the required equation is x is equal to P. Final answer should be in terms of small letters. Okay, this is the most important problem. This one also. Okay, next, the last problem of this topic. Okay, students, look at this problem. This is the theorem. This is the most important theorem. So in this one, read the given problem carefully. Show that the angle of rotation of the axis, that means show that the angle of rotation of the axis means now we are going to show the angle of rotation is something. So how much the angle of rotation we have to show that this answer. Okay, when we have to show the angle of rotation, this one, to eliminate xy term in the equation. In this equation, we can eliminate the x into y term, not x term, not y term. So here we are going to eliminate the x into y term. Okay. So by using that concept, you should find the angle of rotation is 1 by 2 into tan h inverse of 2h by a minus b. This answer when a is not equal to b. If A is equal to B, now you can show that angle of rotation as pi by 4. Okay. So first of all, what we have to find? Angle of rotation. Okay. Why should we take the angle of rotation? The angle of rotation is used to change an equation into the transformed equation. That means here given equation is equation in world system. In world system is, what is that? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now I am going to convert this equation into new system. So before going to convert the new system, first of all we need to take the angle of rotation. Let theta be the angle of rotation. Angle of rotation. Okay. Now when the angle of rotation theta will be taken, now the equation will be converted into the new system. So before convert to the new system, we can find the small x value and small y value by using the table. Now therefore small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. In the same way, small y is equal to how much? Capital X sin theta, capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. So therefore the transformed equation equation of 1 is, so a x square, a means a, x square means x can be written this formula here. Now how much you will get? X cos theta minus y sin theta whole square. Next, plus 2h into x into y. So x means I am going to write x cos theta minus y sin theta. This is x value into y means y answer. X sin theta plus y cos theta plus by square. Y means y answer. X sin theta plus y cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Okay, that is the substitution. This is the transformed equation. So for this transformed equation, we have to eliminate x into y term. That means x into y term means we can eliminate the x into y term here. Elimination of x into y term means now we are going to make the coefficient of xy term as 0. Okay, that means we should find out the x into y term here. Their coefficient should be equating to 0. So when do you get here x into y term in this expansion? If you expand this one in terms of a minus b whole square, now a square means x square cos square theta. There is no x into y term. Next, plus b square means y sin theta whole square. That is y square sin square theta. Here also no x into y term. Next, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab means here x into y term is minus 2ab. 2 into a means this one, b means this one. Here x into y, xy. Here x into y term is there. Okay. Now I am going to take directly. Now eliminating xy term in above equation, that is coefficient of xy is equal to 0. That is the concept. So we are going to take the coefficients of xy terms. So now coefficient of xy terms. In this first term, coefficient of xy term is minus 2 into xy into sin theta cos theta. Xy coefficient means sin theta into cos theta in this one. Next, coming to this one, here x is multiplied by x, you will get x square term. X is multiplied by y, xy term will be there. So here xy term is x into y. This is, and these two terms will be multiplied, you will get the x into y term. Now how much you will get? Plus, and total terms also multiplied by 2h. Here you can get here 2h into, so here x term will be multiplied by y, you will get x into y. So except the x into y, what will be there? Cos square theta. Next one, x into y is applied obtained from y sin theta and x sin theta product. So here minus y x sin square theta and the coefficient is minus 2h into sin square theta. The same way, whenever you have to multiply, here also a is there, sorry, before first term have minus 2a because a is the coefficient here. Now in the same way, last term is multiplied by b plus b, actually b I am going to write here. Whenever you have to expand this one, plus 2ab, a square means x square sin square theta, so that means there is no xy. B square means y square sin square theta, there is no xy. Next, plus 2ab means 2 into xy sin theta cos theta, that is 2 into b sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. This is the total x into y term. You can write this step directly, otherwise you can product the above equation carefully. After that, check what are the x into y terms are there. only x into y coefficient you have to take, that will be equating to 0. You will get this step. Okay, okay students. Next one. So to eliminate in the given problem, what he said that eliminating xy term. Eliminating xy term means we can take the xy term and its coefficient will be equating to 0. You will get this answer. In this one, the middle two terms, these have the 2h common. I am going to take 2h common. You will get cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, remaining in two terms here, what will be there? Common. 2 sin theta cos theta will be common here. Now I am going to take the 2 sin theta cos theta common. 2 sin theta cos theta taking common, you will get here b minus a into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Okay students, here you have to remember two formulas in the trigonometric formulas. So in trigonometric functions, cos square theta minus sin square theta value is there, and also 2 sin theta cos theta formulas are there. This is formula for cos 2 theta. This is the formula for sin 2 theta. Okay, so you have to substitute these formulas in the above equation. You will get here, so 2h into cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta plus b minus a into 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta is equal to 0. Now I am going to write the to find the theta values. So let it be equation number 2. Here onwards, here two cases we have to apply here. One is a is not equal to b, and second case is a is equal to b. In first case I am going to take a is equal to b. A is not equal to b. If a is not equal to b, then b minus a is not equal to 0. Okay, so that is, now from equation 2 we can get, so we have to find the theta value. Theta value, how do you find the theta value? You can separate the trigonometric functions to left side. So that is 2h cos 2 theta is equal to minus of b minus a into sin 2 theta. So you can simplify here, 2h cos 2 theta is equal to, multiplying by minus in the bracket value, will get this one. So finally I am going to take this one to this one and this one to this one. So now how much you will get? Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, here you can obtain, here 2h by a minus b here. So finally here sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta value, sin by cos means tan, have the both angle 2 theta is equal to 2h by a minus b. Now finally you can write this one here, 2 theta is equal to, you can take it inverse trigonometric functions, it will get tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Now finally theta is equal to 1 by 2. So take it 2 to right side, 2 becomes to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so here from equation 2, if a is equal to b I have taken, then 2 becomes, in equation 2 you have to take the second equation here. So put a is equal to b, then a minus b or b minus a is equal to 0. That implies 2h into cos 2 theta plus a is equal to b means you have to write b minus b into how much? Sin 2 theta. sine 2 theta is equal to 0. Now finally here 2h cos 2 theta, b cancel, that is 0 into anything 0, that is cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Cos value 2 theta is equal to, so cos 2 theta is equal to 0, hence cos 2 theta is equal to cos 90 degrees will becomes to 0. Now cos cancel, 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, hence theta is equal to pi by 2 into 2 will be pi by 4. Okay, this is the formula. Okay students, I hope you understand these problems. This is the most important problems on the transformation of axis. Only here 5 questions are there. You have to read these 5 questions carefully and practice perfectly. You will get the 2 4 marks questions in this year. Okay students, I hope you understand. Okay, see you in next video.